Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you today how to make fried cheese ravioli. Fried cheese ravioli. So I already boiled the ravioli for 12 minutes and it's already done. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you how to fry the ravioli. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Okay, so I bought a package of cheese ravioli right here. It was 99 cents. Okay, alright, so here's the ravioli that I already boiled, and I put it on a paper towel to drain the water off. Okay, because we're going to be frying it, so we don't want it dripping in water. Okay, alright, so let's test and see if our oil, this is olive oil in the frying pan, and let me show you. I put just a little, I would say that's about maybe a cup and a half, okay, of oil, just enough to coat the bottom. So let's put it in and see what happens. Yeah, the oil is hot enough. It's frying. So I'm just going to put them all in. We're going to use the ravioli as an appetizer. How about that? Who'd have knew, huh? Okay, so I have 6 in there. I'll put just 6 at a time. As they cook, you can just take a peek underneath to see if you see any browning going on. If you do, you can turn them over at that point. So let me give you the word of the day while we're waiting on that, and a few notes I'd like for you to hear about. I did a video that is going to air on May 31st. It's a single woman's appeal, my appeal. I'd like for you to check that out, and I'd like some feedback on that, and I'm going to turn that into a soap opera, so to say. So once a week I'm going to come on and give you an update on that and let you know how my dating life is going, okay? I think it'll be a lot of fun. And I'm looking for the YouTube family input. You know, what I should do, shouldn't do, all your advice, okay? That's the word of the day. Watch out for May 31st video, and it's my single woman's appeal that I'm putting out for advice from the YouTube family, okay? Alright, make sure you check out the links below. Please, if you like the video, please hit the like button. I'm looking for more subscribers, so if you can help in that area, and if this is your first time on, I'd love to have you, okay? Alright, so we're going to get back to the cheese ravioli that we're frying. How about that, huh? Who'd have knew? Okay, hold on. Oh yeah, they're ready to get turned over. So they're brown a little on one side, but not as brown as I'd like. So I'm gonna probably turn them back over to get them a little more browner. Okay. Okay. Let me get a plate. Okay, I'm turning them over again. Taking them out and I'm placing them on a paper towel to drain. Okay, so let me let you get a look at this. See? How about that? Who'da knew, huh? And so you can have them just like this, or you can have them dipped in like a sweet and sour sauce, or whatever sauce you like, okay, or cheese sauce. That is wonderful, isn't it? Wow. I never thought of that until today. I love cooking and coming up with different things to show my YouTube family. It is very exciting. Okay, so when I put one on a plate and taste it for you. Turn these one more time. Okay, let me let you take a view with a picture. Okay, they're all out. Okay, let me let you take a look at this. How about that, huh? Okay, and let me get in the picture. Fried cheese ravioli. Who'da knew? Huh? Great. Okay, let me take a taste. Okay, I'm going to take a taste. I like it. I can see where some cheese sauce, if you dip it into cheese sauce, that would really kick that cheese ravioli up some. So you try it. Let me know how you like it, okay? All right, until next time. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.